in the lesson number 60 for grade 3 mathematics. We are studying right now much multiplication, and we left two questions in the page number 104, that is question number 2 and question number 3. So first we will complete these questions, then we will move on to the next questions. All right. I can hear background noise from some of you. I'm allowing you to unmute yourself, okay?
Okay.
So when you need, you can unmute yourself. Otherwise, keep yourself on a mute mode, okay? So that I cannot hear background noise. All right, guys. So this is question number 2. And what you have to do here, you have to complete this multiplication square. How you are going to complete this multiplication square? For that, you should know how this multiplication square works, or you have to made it. Okay, look here, guys. There are some numbers here on the first row. Okay, this is the multiplication sign. This multiplication sign I don't need noise, guys. This is the multiplication sign, guys. What you have to do here, there are some numbers. You have to find out the missing numbers. This, okay. If you find out this number, so what you will do here, you multiply this number by this number, and you will find out the missing number of here. What you will write before 9. If you know this number, so again you will multiply this number by this number, and that should be equal to 9. You know it, when you multiply here to there, this should be equal to 9. And if you find out this number, you multiply this by this, and you will get 12. Surely you will get 12. Same as if you want to know what is the number here, you multiply 5 by this 2. 5 multiplied by 2 will be 10, so you will write here 10. You don't know this number, you have to find out what number here. If you multiply 5 by this number, so you will find out what number you should write here. And once you find out that number, you multiply 5 by this number, and you will surely get here 20. In the same way, when you find out here what number is missing, you multiply that number by 2, so you will get the answer what you need to write here before 27. And if you know that number, you will multiply by this, so you will surely get 27. And the last number which you find out, if you multiply this by this, so you will find out what number you need to write here. In this way, you have to complete this multiplication square. The question is, we don't need any number, we don't know any number. How we are going to find out that number? So it is very easy, guys. Look at this 9. This 9 you get when once you multiply this number by this number. Okay, when you multiply this number by this number, you get 9. So tell me the two numbers. If you multiply these two numbers by each other, you will get the answer 9.
3, sir.
3 multiplied by what?
3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9.
Okay, very good. Any other students who would like to participate?
3 multiplication 3, sir.
Very good. And yes,
3 times 3.
3 times 3.
3
3 multiplied by 3. Very good.
multiplied by 3 equals 9.
Very good. 3 multiplied by 3 equal 9. All right.
1 multiply 9. 1 multiply 9.
Okay, 1 multiplied by 9 is also possible, yes.
Sir, 3 multiply 3.
3 multiplied by 3, very good. Very good, guys, very good. Okay, keep yourself on again mute mode. So guys, there are two possibilities, 1 multiplied by 9 or 3 multiplied by 9. But you know, I show you what happened if I write here 1 multiplied by 9. Look here, I'm going to erase this circles, okay, And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to write here 1 and here 9. Okay. Now guys, look here. If I write here 1, this means I need to multiply 1 by any number. If I multiply 1 by any number, so the answer should be 12. Tell me. You don't need to write it. I'm explaining why we cannot write 1 multiplied by 9 here.
1 multiplied by
12, sir. 12. 1 multiplied by 12.
Yes, exactly. 1 multiplied by 12.
Why with 12?
You have to wait first. What I was explaining you guys, if I write here 1 multiplied by 9, so that's mean I need to multiply this 1 by any number in order to get 12, and that will be 12. Okay. If I write here 12, look here, if I write here 12, so I cannot get 20 here because 5 multiplied by 12 is not equal to 20. 5 multiplied by 12 is not equal to 20. Okay. Now check the other option. If I write here 3 multiplied by 9. If I write here 3 multiplied by 9 like this. Sorry, 3 multiplied by 3 I'm going to write here. 3 multiplied by 3. Three multiplied by 3 equals to 9. Then 3 multiplied by what equals to 12? Yes, find out this number. 3 multiplied by what equals to 12? Yes, guys?
3 but 6 equal 12. 4, sir. 3 multiplied by 4.
multiplication 4.
3 multiplied by 4.
Multiplication 4.
3 multiplied by 4.
The answer is 3 multiplied by 4. So you can write here 4. Okay. Now you can write here 4. So look here. Again check whether your answer is correct or not. Now check 5 multiplied by 4 will be 20 or not. Yes or no? Check this number. This 20 means if you multiply this 5 by this 4, that should be equal to 20. So is it true or no? 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20 or not?
Yes. Yes. 1 multiplied by 4 equal 20. Yes.
Yes. That's mean you are doing correct. Okay. If I write here 1 multiplied by 9, so that's I could complete this line, but I would not be able to complete this line. And I have to complete all the multiplication square here. Okay. Now it's very easy. Can you tell me what to write here, guys? It is very easy. Can you tell me what to write here? Yes.
6.
3.
Yes.
3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6.
Okay. Other students, please participate. What should I write here?
3 but
Yes.
3 but 6 equal 3 multiplied by 6.
Ammar Khalid, Abdul Ghaffar, Ali. Please participate. Awal Muhammad, Kareem Nasir.
2 multiply 9 equal to 7.
2 multiplied by 9.
2 multiplied 9 is not correct. 2 multiplied 9 equal 18.
Yes. Any other students who would like to participate? Al Humam,
3
Anas.
3 multiply 9 equal to 6.
Okay. So those who are saying 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6, they are right. Why, guys? Because I tell you, this 2, 3, 4 you have find out. Okay, you have find out these numbers. This 2, this 3, and this 4. Now all number will be multiplied by these 3 numbers and you will get these answers. If you want to know, this number, you multiply this by this 2. If you want to know that number, you will multiply this 5 by 2. If you want to know that number, you multiply this 3 by this 3. If you want to know that number, you multiply this 5 by this 3. If you know this number, you multiply it by 2, you will get this answer. If you know this number, you multiply by 3, you will get 27. If you know this number, you multiply by 4, you will get this answer. In that way, you have to do it. Okay. So, you know the answer. The answer is 3 multiplied by 2, and that will be equal to 6. What you will do here, you will multiply this 3 by this 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. Okay. Again, I repeat how you did it. This was 9. You know that when you multiply this number by this number, so you will get 9. So which two numbers are there? When you multiply two numbers by each other, you get 9. So 3 multiplied by 3 and 1 multiplied by 9. So you write here 3 multiplied by 3. Okay. Now, you know this number. So 3 multiplied by what number will give you 12? You check. So 3 multiplied by 4 will give you 12. So you write 4 also. Now, only that number is missing. So you just multiply this 3 by this 2 and you get 6. Is there any problem? Yes, guys. Is there any problem?
No.
Okay.
No, isn't.
All right.
mute us. No.
Okay. All right.
No, said nothing.
Okay. I have muted you, but you can unmute yourself when you need. But don't need to unmute you right now. All right, guys. This is 5, and this is 2. If I want to know this number, I should multiply this 5 by this 2. Yes. Can you tell me the answer, guys, now? Multiply
10.
this 5 by this 2.
5
All right. Wait. Only one time you need to speak.
5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10.
For this number, multiply this 5 by 3.
15.
And for this number, multiply this 5 by 4 and check. Is this 20 or not?
Yes. Yes.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. So what you are going to do, you are going to multiply this 5 by this 2. So 5 multiplied by 2 equals to
10.
10. 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10.
10.
So you will write here 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And 5
Now for this number, you multiply this 5 by 3. 5 multiplied by 3 equals to?
15.
Yes.
15.
Very good. 5 multiplied by 3 equals to?
15.
15. 15, sir.
15. The answer is 15. So you will write here 15. And now check, if you multiply this 5 by this 4, so that will be equal to 20. That's fine. All right, guys. Now, how to find out these numbers? We don't know even one number here. This we only know is 27.
Then we will divide 27 by 3
Then
equals to 9 and write 9 here.
27
Mhm.
division 3
Very good. Very good. Very good, guys.
equal 9.
Very good. Because you know
Then we should
why you
divide.
will divide 27 by 3? Because you know that when this number multiplied by this number, then you will get 27. So if you divide 3 by 27, so you will find out what number you multiply by 3 in order to get 27. So
9.
that will be 9. 3 multiplied by 9 will be 27. So you will write down here 9. Because 9 multiplied by 3 equals to 27. Now it is very easy to complete. Because this is 9, this is 2. 9 multiplied by 2 equals to?
18. 18.
This is 18.
18.
18.
Now multiply this 9 by this 4. 9 multiplied by 4 equals to?
36.
36, 36.
No need to shout. 36.
Very good.
36. 36.
15, 15, 16.
Who finished answer? You finish answer, mute yourself.
Yes, guys. Any problem?
No, sir, thanks. For the
No, sir. No. No, sir.
If
Okay,
you,
No,
wait,
sir.
everyone, I'm gonna mute mic.
yes, guys, who got it, who understand it, please mute your mic so that I know that you understand. And I would like to speak with those students who did not understand.
I understand, sir.
Okay.
Open the chat for.
Mute yourself.
Open the chat.
I understand, sir.
Abdullah Al-Harbi, Ahmad Shihab, Al-Humam, Ammar Khalid.
I understand.
Then I don't understand, please. I just came in the prayer. I was broken. I did not.
Abdul Aziz, right?
Yes, sir.
Abdul Aziz, what you did not understand?
I did not understand the number that question. The question that equals to 16.
Okay, wait, let me explain again. Guys, again, I explain you how we have to complete this multiplication square. We have to find out the missing numbers, okay? But we know that in the multiplication square, if we multiply this number by this number, so we'll get this. For whole these, we need to multiply the first one from here and the first one from here. The first one from here and the first one from here, okay? In that way, we can find out. So we just know here some numbers like 2, 9, 12, 5, 20. So we know 9. When we multiply two numbers, so we will get 9. So which two numbers you can multiply in order to get 9? So they are 3 multiplied by 3. So I write 1 3 here and 1 3 here. Okay. Now 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. If I write here 3, so I will multiply by 3 by 2 and fill it. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. And this is 12. So 3 multiplied by what number will give me 12? 3 multiplied by 4 will give me 12. So I write 4 here. Now this is complete. Here 5 is written. Here 2 is written. If I multiply 5 by 2, I'll get this answer. That will be 10. Here I find out there is 3. I multiply this 5 by 3. I'll get 15. And here 4. So I multiply this 5 by 4. It is 20. Remember guys, if it is written 20 and you find out one number, so the answer should be, if you multiply these two numbers, their answer should be 20, right? Remember this. Now, we did not know these three numbers. We know only 27 here and 3 here now. So if we divide 27 by 3, we will get to know that there is 9. What number you should multiply by 3 in order to get 27? So that is 9. Then multiply this 9 by 2, 18. 9 by 3, you know, and 9 by 4 equals to 36. In that way, you have to do it. Coming to the next multiplication square, guys. 6, 36, 54, 6, 50, and 60. So you know that this is 36, okay? 36 you can find out by, or look, leave 36, check this. This is 54, okay? 6 multiplied by what number will give you 54? Yes, guys. 6 multiplied by what number will give you 54?
9. 9. 9 by 9.
9?
Yes.
Yes. 9. So you will write here 9. 6 multiplied by 9 will give you 54. So you will write here 9. That's mean you know it. You know this is 6 and this is 54. So you know that if you multiply this number by this number, that should be 54. So you divide this 54 by 6 and you get to know that this is 9. Okay, now this is 36. 9 multiplied by what number will give you 36? Yes, guys. 9 multiplied by what number will give you 36?
4, sir.
Yes.
Don't mute us, sir. 4.
Yes. 9 multiplied by what number will give you 36?
Four. Page
Four.
number how many, sir? Sir, page number how many?
Page number 104. 9 multiplied by 4 will give you 136. Okay. So you will write here 4. This is 4. Okay. Now, you know this number and you know this number. You can also write 4 multiplied by 6 equals to? Yes. 4 multiplied by 6 equals to?
20.
24.
24. 24. 24.
24.
Sir,
Right.
don't mute us.
4 multiplied by 6 equals to 24. So you will write here 24. Okay. Now you can fill this one. For this number, you should multiply 6 by 6. For this number, if you multiply 6 by 6, you will get this answer. 6 multiplied by 6 equals to what? Yes, guys. 6 multiplied by 6 equals to what?
36.
36.
36. Very good. 36. Very good. Very good.
36.
So you will write here 36. 6 multiplied by 6 equals to 36. All right. Now you have to find out this number, guys. You have to find out this number. Once you find out this number, so this will be also filled. This will be also filled.
36.
So this is 50. When you multiply two numbers, okay, so the answer should be 50. Which two numbers you should multiply in order to get 50? Yes, which two numbers you can multiply in order to get 50?
10 multiplication.
8 multiply or 2 multiply 25.
Yes, 2 multiplied by 2, 25, 10 multiplied by 5, 5 multiplied by 10. There are too many numbers, right? But you have to look whatever the number you are going to write here, okay? If you multiply this 6 by that number, the answer should be 60, okay? So I am going to write here 5 multiplied by 10, but I will write here 10 and I will write here 5. Look, I will write 5 here and I will write 10 here. 10 multiplied by 5 equals to 50. Okay. Why I write 10 here and 5 here? Because I know whatever the number I'm going to write here, I need to multiply this number by 6. And once I multiply this number by 6, the answer should be 60. Even if I write 5 here and 10 here, so the answer should be 50 here. But 5 multiplied by 6 is not equals to 60. 5 multiplied by 6 equals to 30 and 60 is already written here. So I have to check what number should I write here. And even same 2 multiplied by 25 I cannot write here. I don't need to fix only this 50. I need to check other numbers also. Is that clear? Why I write 5 up and 10 down? Is that clear?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So 10 multiplied by 6 equals to 60. Now you can complete it. 4 multiplied by 5 equals to
20. 20.
20.
20.
Don't mute.
6 multiplied by 5 equals to
30.
30.
30.
Now we will mute and allow to mute.
And this 10 multiplied by 9 equals to?
90.
In that way you have completed this multiplication square. Check again. 4 multiplied by 5, 20. 4 multiplied by 6, 24. 4 multiplied by 9, 36. 6 multiplied by 5, 30. 6 multiplied by 6, 36. 6 multiplied by 9, 54. 10 by 5, 50. 10 by 6, 60. And 10 by 9, 90. All right, guys. So this is how you complete the multiplication square. Now we'll complete question number 3. Guys, in question number 3, you have to copy and complete with the help of an open array. Okay. And what is an open array and how you will solve the questions by open array? It's very easy. In open array, you draw a rectangle. Okay. And if you need to divide any number, like here in example, this is 60 divided by 5. Okay, this is 60 divided by 12. So what you will do, guys, you will break the 60 in two numbers. You will break the 60 in two numbers, and 60 is very easy. Like you break it with 50 and the 10. Okay, you break 50 plus 10. But if you have another number, so we'll try to break in that way so that you can have 0 on one number, right? But here 60 already 0, so you can break it into two numbers like 50 plus 10. So you write 50 here and you make one dotted line and you write 10 here. 50 plus 10 equals to 60. And you need to divide by 5, so you write 5 here. 5 multiplied by what number will give you 50? 10, so you write 10 here. Okay, and 5 multiplied by what number will give you 10? This is 2. So that is 12. 10 plus 2 equals to 12. So that is your answer. In that way you have to complete it. So take out your notebook and you have to complete this. Copy and complete, draw an open array. Take out your notebook, guys. I'm going to write here. This is much multiplication. Okay. And what you're going to do here, copy and complete, draw an open array to help you. Question number 3. Copy and complete with the help of an open array. To help you. Okay, guys, this is the question, and A is 16 multiplied by 2. A is 16 multiplied by 2. I'm going to make it bigger for you. (16 multiplied by 2). So I will draw one rectangle first. Okay, I have drawn a rectangle. And I will make one dotted line here. This is the dotted line. You have to do it, guys, with me. Okay. So this is, guys, 16 multiplied by 2, right? This is 16 multiplied by 2.
Yes, the answer is 32.
Yes, we know answer is 32, but we have to do with the help of
Don't read the same.
open array.
Array.
Yes, write in your notebook. Write this in your notebook, okay?
Okay, sir.
Open array.
Write this in your notebook.
32.
Okay, it will be 32. Very good. So, guys, what you have to do here, you have to break this 16 in tens plus 6. Okay, this is 16. So break it 10 plus 6. Okay, Why? Why you will break it 10 plus 6? Because it is very easy to multiply any number by 10. Okay, so try to break in the tens. Okay, so 16, this one having the value of 10, 10 plus 6. So I will write here 10 like this. I'm going to write here 10. Okay. Ten and 6, and you will write 6 here. Okay, you have to multiply it by 2, so write 2 here. Write 2 here. In the same way, look here in the book. 5, you break 50 plus 10 here, so you break there. 16, 10 plus 6. Okay, and here you are dividing by 5, so you write 5 here. There you're dividing by 2, so you will write 2 there. You will write here 2. I will check. 2 multiplied by 10 equals to what? 2 multiplied by 10 equals to what?
Then the answer of the 16 multiplied by 2 equals to
No, I don't need answer. I am asking 2 multiplied by 10 equals to what, guys?
20, sir.
20.
20, sir.
20. Very good. So you will write 20 here down. And 2 multiplied by 6 equals to
12.
12. So you will write 12 here. Like this. Okay. Then you need to add it. 20 plus 12 is equals to
32.
32. So 32 will be your answer.
No, sir. 32.
32 will be your answer.
Oh, sir, I understand.
This is with the help of open array. So you will write here 20 plus 12 is equals to 32, or you will write here 32 up also. So this is how you solve with the help of open array. Right, guys?
Okay, sir.
All right. We'll complete further questions tomorrow. I'll meet you inshallah tomorrow. So class time is finished. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir.